Hi, and welcome to Digital Tech Reviews and Tips. Today in this video, I'm going to be unboxing and taking a look at the Insta360 ONE X Mark II here. But this isn't a regular unboxing video because I'm actually also filming this on an Insta360 ONE X Mark II. So if you're interested in how this camera performs, well, this is also a sample footage test. You know, I imagine most people aren't going to be using this camera for filming unboxings. It's more of an action camera and kind of vlogging type camera. But hey, either way, you can be watching this unboxing video to see what you get in the box and also enjoying some sample footage shot on the Insta360 ONE X2. Now, anyways, if you don't know much about this camera, this is the newest camera from Insta360 at the time of recording. It goes for around $430, which is the same price as the Insta360 ONE R. And this camera is undoubtedly probably the best consumer action 360 camera on the market for under $500. GoPro does have their GoPro Max, but that only has a resolution of 5.6K, where this actually will do 5.7K, which is, you know, if you're recording the full 360, you need every pixel you can get. So that's just one benefit with this camera. You also have that new screen you can see there on the front, as well as better audio, better stabilization, and overall just a better experience with this camera. Here on the side you can see some of the small features. I've been using it for a little bit and have overall found it really, you know, an improvement over the Insta360 ONE R. I do still think that camera is probably a more innovative camera than this, but if you just know you want a dedicated 360 camera, this is a lot more compact, a lot more easy to use, batteries last longer and stuff like that. And yeah, this is the way to go. So look into the box, simple, you know, standard white box, some of the uses here. And it's just overall, you know, basically a vlogging camera that you can also do some sports with, and that you can go into post and then edit around and control what you're seeing and reframe it there. So let's just get to unboxing this thing. Of course, we got to get rid of that plastic wrap, so let's get the knife and be careful that we don't cut anyone. Well, the only one who would be getting cut would be me, so I guess I just have to be careful that I don't cut myself, or else this would turn into an action movie. Mainly the action of me going to the hospital to get stitches. So taking off the plastic and removing the glare. It's still the same box underneath. Nothing has changed really. That's how plastic works. It's see-through, so no surprises there. And removing the top, here you will get the action camera right away, a little solid black brick, and then the accessories are down here. Now just actually a note about the additional accessories. I did purchase some accessories like the invisible selfie stick and such, but I'm not really including them in this unboxing because there's so many different kits out there and bundles. However, I will note if you are interested in looking at one of those bundles, I would just say purchase the accessories you want, because Insta360 isn't actually discounting. You know, if you get just the camera and then buy the accessories separate, you're going to pay the same exact price as if you get the camera and, you know, whatever bundle that you decide kind of fits your needs. So just get the camera and then purchase accessories you want separately, and you'll be far more happy. Now we'll remove the camera, set it aside for the time being, and we'll actually dig into the accessories here with this little box in the bottom. Just gonna slide that off. First thing we're gonna get here, it looks like, is the charging cable. Now luckily this camera does use USB-C. That is the way of the future, and it's far more fast. And yeah, that's basically it. It's the way to go, and companies that aren't cough Apple should be, you know, re-examining what they're doing. Next here we have this really nice neoprene carrying case slash protection sleeve. If I can open this up, that's always the hard part. You can see that it's very, you know, very sleek, very durable. It's not like some flimsy little mesh covering that a lot of times companies will send along with their cameras. You slide the camera into this and, you know, boom, it's not going to get wrecked. It protects it very nicely. Also, because it's neoprene, it dries pretty quickly as well. You don't have to worry about if the camera is wet from snorkeling or, you know, snowboarding, whatever, that you're going to ruin the case, because it's perfectly fine and durable in whatever water you're throwing on it. Next here we got the pieces of paper. We have a little quick start guide right here, and, you know, it's very quick because there's also several different languages, but basically just tells you everything I'm telling you here. You also get about waterproofing. It goes through how you have to make sure all the doors and ports are closed and stuff. But you guys all know that, I assume. You have a warranty card, which the warranty's not the greatest on this. They do have a separate kind of like warranty extra care, kind of Apple Care equivalent for $40, which I purchased. We'll see how that goes if I ever need it, but it's a good thing to have for an action camera, which could get destroyed. You have a nice little cleaning cloth here, which is very key since you do have 2 lenses on here. It's not just the traditional 1 lens, so they give you a nice cleaning cloth for the lenses. And then you get some stickers, which this is really all anyone cares about, right? Good stickers. Put them on your phone, put them on your forehead, put them on wherever you want to put them, but just put them somewhere because you got to get that clout. And I think that's it for in the box, not much else. What you do also have here is you have the battery for the camera. I like this design that they're going with here. It's nice because you don't have to deal with a battery door. You just pop it in, it snaps in place, and then when you're ready to swap out a battery or recharge it or something, boom, pop it out and you're good to go. You can also turn on the camera. I think if the battery's charged, there we go. And I'll leave those on, I guess. So you can see there is the little screen on the camera. It's a touch screen, so you can swipe through. It's not quite as great as a GoPro touchscreen because I think of the roundness and just the size of the touchscreen itself. It's a little harder to control overall, but it's better than nothing, and the previous Insta360 ONE X didn't have a screen, so I would much rather have a semi-functional screen, which will get improvement with software updates as they go, because Insta360 is known for including a lot of software updates. And then, yeah, that's pretty much it. I would advise definitely investing in some good accessories. I personally, the invisible selfie stick is huge. The utility frame is really nice for if you have a lot of GoPro accessories. That will let you mount this camera on them, because notably this camera does not have a GoPro mount. It's simply a 1/4-inch thread, which some people do like a lot better, but if you have a lot of GoPro accessories, go get the utility frame. And otherwise, you know, get a big micro SD card, because this camera does chew through the space. I guarantee it. You're recording 5.7K, and most of the cool shots you see, like the time warp and sonic dash and stuff, require you essentially just to record video for about 5 minutes and then process it in your phone to get the cool shot. It's not really done by recording selective frames. Instead, it's done by just recording the entirety of what you're doing and then, you know, speeding it up, editing it in post to get some cool shots. So yeah, that's it for this video. Just doing a quick video to try to A, show you what's in the box of this camera, and also demonstrate the quality that this camera has if you wanted to use it for an unboxing, which I imagine probably this will be the only unboxing ever filmed with this camera. But yeah, if you're still here watching, thank you for making it all the way through the video. If you have any questions, please leave it down below. I'll be more than happy to try to answer them, or maybe some fellow YouTuber will answer them as well. And if you aren't subscribed to this channel, well, what are you doing with your life? Is there other stuff to do than just subscribe to my channels? Yeah, there's obviously plenty of other things. But if you do want to subscribe, feel free to do so. It doesn't cost you anything, and it will notify you when I upload fun videos like this. Well, that's it for today, so thank you guys for watching, and as always, peace out. Bye. Have a nice day.